What?
Wake up. Not gonna say it again.
Okay, I'm up.
You in the video sleep.
Looking stupid. That's how. Looking stupid as hell.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could.
What's up? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we got another slay for the girls. You see the girls, you see the girl. Okay, let's hop into it. I can't wait to share with y'all this beautiful wet and wavy wig from Xrsbeauty. Shout out to Xrsbeauty for sponsoring today's video. Y'all know I love XRS. It's the luxury. It's for me. Okay, so Xrsbeauty has these amazing clear, clean hairline. You know, it's just plucked to the gods. It's already ready for you to go. So this wig is their wet and wavy wig. As you can see, it comes like yucky, but we about to see what we could do with it. I'm finna show the girls, Brandon finna show the girls, okay, what to do with this wig, how to get it wet, how to get it wavy, and how it can straighten and go back and forth. You know how wet and wavy go. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this install by Brandon Siobhan.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working, really working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no. Oh, he's working me and molding me who he wants me to be. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence, leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord, make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goat. He never lonely, got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way. Yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
So boom, as you can see, that wet and wavy in action is coming through. It's coming through. I love how this hair is like, it's that yucky texture and it silks out really good. But boom, once you wet it, the curl is just so pretty. It's gorgeous, y'all. I love this wet and wavy hair. It doesn't look like fake. It doesn't look like, you know, like hair store wet and wavy, but it really looks like that. You know what I'm saying? The curl is so pretty. So shout out once again to Xrsbeauty for this amazing wig. Y'all, if y'all interested, make sure to click them links down below. Shout out to them once again. Love this wig. I don't have nothing negative to say at all. Love the wig. Yeah, thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.